Hey guys, Wrench here. Just wanted to give you an example of the 9line app. I'm gonna go. I've got this copied on my desktop, and of course, because I just copied it, AVG is gonna scan it. So give me just a second here while we wait for that to complete. Okay, so 15-second scan completed. Whatever. So this is the UI of the Cast 9line card, and it's really fairly simple. Basically, all it does is let you type into it and then saves a file. So we'll let's see. It is tab and shift tab compatible, and then of course it's also clickable. So all of that stuff's going to work. I'm just going to type in some quick stuff. I'll just do a couple of numbers just so we can see what's going on. There we go. So not very intelligible. Maybe it's encoded. All right, so then we can go ahead and click next, and we see that the number up here changes to a 2, and wherever the 9line exe is located, it creates a text file. At the moment, the text files are really simple. It's just all of the data you entered in line. So it doesn't create it in any kind of human readable format in particular. So anyway, we'll do another one. Okay, and notice the notes can have multiple lines, and should for some reason you have enough lines, it's scrollable. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click next, and it will write to the file. Now when we hit previous to go back to number 2, it actually reads from this file, and we hit previous again to go back to 1, it reads from that file. So now we can see we can toggle back and forth between any 9-line cards we have created. To delete a particular file, we can press the clear button. We see it deletes it, and then of course when you hit previous, it'll create it again, but it'll be blank. So then when we go back, 2 is now blank. The other thing we can do is right-click the clear button and hit delete all, and it'll get rid of all of the files it created. So I would recommend sticking this somewhere, in isolation, so that the files that it creates can just be somewhere out of the way, and periodically use the delete all button to get rid of all of those. And there we go. So hopefully some of you guys find this to be useful. One of the things I'm looking at doing is actually implementing a system where it can, rather than creating that text file, it'll use a CSV from Excel with a 9-line template and go ahead and fill that out instead of just the random data. Getting VBA to play nice with Excel apparently takes some work that I haven't gotten into yet. So hopefully you guys find it useful, and thanks much. See you.